Today, we're making Panda Express's orange chicken. No more needs to be said, let's get cooking. Cut 2 chicken breasts into about 1-inch cubes. Thighs can also be used. Measure out 2 cups of flour, 1 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 beaten egg, and 1.5 cups of water. Mix all of this together and mix in the chicken as well. We're going to be air frying our chicken today, so carefully pick out this now coated chicken pieces and place them into the air fryer basket. We're then going to let the air fryer run at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. Be sure to check on the chicken at around 10 minutes and flip if needed. While we're waiting on the chicken, let's prep some of our sauce ingredients. Mince about 1 teaspoon of ginger, mince about 1 tablespoon of garlic, and set these both aside. Our chicken is hitting a nice golden brown, so we're going to take it out and repeat this step for the rest of the chicken. The shape will obviously be a bit strange since we are air frying this, but it still results in a very crispy chicken bite. Let's prep our 4 cups of rice, and now make our sauce. We're also going to want 1/4 teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of cooking oil, 1/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of brown sugar, 1/4 cup of freshly squeezed orange juice, 1/4 cup of rice vinegar, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and a cornstarch slurry which consists of 2 tablespoons of water and 2 tablespoons of cornstarch. We'll go ahead and add our chili flakes to the heated oil in the pan and let it sizzle for a bit. We'll add our garlic and ginger that we minced earlier and mix that around. We'll then add our white sugar and brown sugar. We'll also go ahead and add our orange juice and make sure we dissolve the sugar in the juice. Next, we'll add our rice vinegar, followed by our soy sauce. Be sure to adjust the temperature accordingly as to not burn the sugar. Once everything is incorporated, we can now add our cornstarch slurry and mix in between each dose of the slurry. This is really what makes the sauce the viscosity of the orange chicken we all know and love. Keep adding the slurry gradually until you hit the viscosity you like. Personally, I think it's best when it's slightly more viscous than maple syrup. We can now add our chicken to the pan and toss everything together, make sure all of the chicken gets a nice coating of our sauce. If you like extra sauce on your chicken, I recommend doubling this sauce recipe. Once we toss our chicken well, we can start to see the results we were hoping for. We can then put this aside and prep our veggies. Today we are making baby bok choy, which will be served with our white rice. We can plate everything and add some scoops of our orange chicken to each. This recipe makes about 6 servings and is a great meal for those looking for a very tangy chicken. We can now pack everything up and refrigerate for up to a week. To reheat, simply microwave for 2 to 3 minutes. If we look at our cost breakdown today, we can see that each bowl costs about $2 to make. This is a fraction of the $8 it would cost at an actual restaurant, and we actually air fried our chicken today instead of deep frying it. Let me know in the comments below what foods you want to see next, and we'll see you next week.